Hey guys, this is your Shweta. In this video, we're gonna see the pawn promotion at the end game. As we already know what is meant by pawn promotion, right? When the pawn reaches the last rank, that's known as pawn promotion. If the pawn reaches, it can promote into queen, knight, rook, bishop. Now, in this puzzle, white pawn and black pawn in both sides are raising pawns to promote. Which pawn should white move to win the advance? If we move the pawn which is placed in F file, it takes 3 moves to move. So that's not actually a good move. And if we move the pawn which is placed in the last rank, we can promote into 2 steps. So the next step, H8, is the promotion. We can promote into queen. Puzzle 2. We have 2 pawns here. In this, which white pawn should advance to win the pawn? If we move the pawn which is placed in G7, even though we can promote into 2 or 1 step, that's not actually a good move because it is blocked by our black king. So it can be knocked off. So if we promote our pawn which is placed in B5, it can be promoted easily. So first move B6, then again one more step, B7, and next step B8 is the promotion. Puzzle 3. Now which white pawn has 2 pawns that can march forward and promote into 2 steps? Which pawn moves the best? If we move the pawn, it doesn't result in check if we promote. So white promoted first, but black promotes with check. So if we move the pawn which is placed in B file, then both sides are ready to promote, and if we promote, we can give a check. So B8 is equal to queen. Puzzle 3. Both pawns are racing to promote. With white to move, should white promote or should first prevent black from promoting? Now white and black are in the stage of promoting. Now first prevent from promoting the black. So if knight plays Nf2, if the pawn moves to H1 to promote, it can be knocked off. So we have promoted now white to move. If white moves the last file where white can easily be promoted, A8 is equal to queen. We can promote any pieces. Now white is in the stage of capturing by the black king. So in order to prevent that, white plays Ke7. So our white pawn cannot be knocked off. So in the next move, we can promote the pawn. Today's puzzle. Condition: white to move and mate black in 1 move. If you know, can give you answers in my comment section. Please do subscribe and support.